Does your PVC patio furniture squeak? It's a common problem, and we have a solution. This is a dry coating lubricant. Now, it's not available in many places, so if you can't find it, give us a call. We do stock it. What you do with this is actually put a little coating of this lubricant on the pipe in specific places, and it will stop the squeaking. Let me show you how. First, remove the cushion. Most of the squeaking is going to come from where the fabric is twisting a little bit on the pipes, the dividing pipes at the front, the top, and the rear. So what you're going to do is take the spray and spray a good solid spray right through the mesh fabric to the pipe behind it. Do that in all three places. Now this spray dries to a powder, so you're not even going to know that it's there once it dries. And it will absolutely stop the squeaking. Now, there's one other place that squeaking occurs, and that is where these dividers fit into their fittings on each side, because these are not glued, they're screwed in. And they can twist a little bit and cause a squeak. If that's the case, all you need to do is remove the screws that hold those fittings in place, pop out the dividers, and spray the ends of the pipes, put them back in again, put it back together, and your problem will be solved.